Hey, welcome back to Planter Garden TV. Welcome to our food forest, guys. This year, 2025, we're trying to create a food forest and we're not trying to spend any money at all. Last year, we spent about $10 on our food forest, and this year, we're not trying to spend anything. Why? Because what we do, we save our seed and we use our resources around. We use the leaf in the ground, all these type of leaf here, and we mix them in with our soil. As you see going on here, we already dig these banks, and what we do, the area was like this with leaf spreading on the ground, and what we do, we mix this leaf into the soil and we leave it there. So for the spring, these things gonna start to breaking down. So we're not trying to spend any money at all, guys. We're trying to work what we have. You know, you have these resources, you should be using them, guys, because they help create a natural soil for you. When you watch this type of soil, you could actually see how rich these soils is, because if you notice, you're gonna always see these type of stuff in between these soil, because they're gonna break down and feed the plant. If you notice around the banana tree we have here, we have this banana tree we're trying to overwinter. We have pumpkin vines, we have all different things around the root. These gonna break down and feed the plant. We trying to adapt nature, what we see nature do in the garden, in the forest. What we see nature do in the forest, nature drop their leaf and the leaf break down and turn back food for the plants. That is what we're doing. This is how you create a natural food forest. This is how you create a food forest without using any type of chemical into your soil. All these areas already prepared. As you can see, you're gonna see what's going on. These are leaf just and grass break down, and we mix it into the soil. This is the best time to do it because it have time to break down, and it's also gonna rejuvenate itself in the spring when that magic happen. When that magic happen and everything spring back to life, your soil will be ready. All right, so this is what we're doing now. We're creating beds. As you can see, not beds, banks. We're creating banks. This whole area going up here, we're gonna be, this was a bed, but what we're gonna do this year, we're gonna turn them into banks. So what we're doing, we're creating some big banks, big deep banks, so that it can create a big root system for the plant stem. Even this peach tree right here, if you notice, we feed in the plants them with all kind of stuff come out the garden, the okra stalk right there, the leaf, the grass that grows up. We feed the plants with them. So now we're creating a garden, a food forest, which we already did, creating a food forest. But what happened is we usually spend a few dollars trying to get different plants. But this year, we're not spending a dime to create this food forest. We're gonna fill this whole area without spending a dime. How are we gonna do that? Well, we have seeds that we saved from last season. And what we're going to do, we're going to set these seeds. We're actually getting ready to set the seeds them. All right, so all these areas, I'm trying to remove these beds and turn them into banks. So you see all this is okra. If you see here, you're gonna see this okra still have seeds up inside here. Okay, so I really have to pick all these okra seeds. This is the same thing I know I was telling you. We have okra seed right here that we can just pick and set in some soil, and we have okra seed to plant or anywhere in the area we plant. We have fruit trees that we purchase, but we're not promising to purchase any more fruit tree. We're gonna start them from seed. We wanna make sure whatever we have, it's growing from seed. So everything from now on, We're doing it from seed. We don't want no cuttings. All we want is beautiful seed and soil. All right? So yes, guys, I just want to say thank you guys as always, man. But if you want to create a natural garden, use the resources you have around you. It can work. It will work. All right? Thank you, guys. Peace, love, and blessing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.